Hello, thank you, and welcome to Money Monday YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn $420 by downloading 3 apps without doing anything. Okay, so all you are going to do is that everything you are going to do right here will be free without you spending any money at all. Then here is what you will learn. I'll show you 3 brand new websites plus special trick to sign up for free, and this works worldwide. So don't mix this, okay? Just watch as I go ahead to get this done, and I'll show you one by one, step by step, what you are going to do. Okay, follow me as we go to the first step. So just make sure you watch this video to the end, and I will show you everything, how you can earn stuff like this up to 2000 USD in a month doing this. Okay, just watch as I'll show you now the first website that you are going to do. So right here we are going to the first website of the 3 in queue. So the first one now is, so right here we are on the first side. The first is called Upvotes. So right here you'll get paid for the time you spent on Facebook, the time you spend on YouTube. You'll also be paid for the time you spend on Amazon, for the time you also spend on LinkedIn. All this that you're going to do, what this site is going to, you earn as much as 75 USD or more. So what are you going to do in this case for you to start earning? So who you are, it doesn't matter. So what matters the most is what comes to your hand at the end of the day. Now, how does it work? This is exactly how it works. First, for you to join and to qualify, you need to click on this blue icon that says continue with Facebook. So the moment you click on this continue with Facebook, then it will pop up your Facebook account and you will sign up with it. So it's like when you sign up with your Facebook and fill out a short qualification form, then once you are qualified, you will be invited to install the Upvotes Chrome extension. So it's safe and won't impact your browser performance. The moment you've done that, the next is you earn. That's it. So you visit their participating website on a regular basis and collect daily token that can later be redeemed for a selection of e-gift card. Alright, so this is all you need to do. So here you can see users who love this work. You can see them and their comments, each and every one of them saying what they think about this particular company. Alright, so you can see the reward is much for you and your privacy will not be impacted in any way at all. Okay, so let's move on now to the next stage and see the second website that we're going to look at for today. So the website number 2 that we're going to consider today is called Brave. Okay, so Brave is more like what the browser we have, other browser you have like a Chrome and Firefox. Okay, so what you do is that the difference between them is that Brave pays you to browse, to search, and to do all you need to do is to go to your app store, download it and install. Okay, so you take control of Brave and you can see the way it works, everything. So all you need to do now, go through the site, see how it works and how you can benefit from it. So browse much more privately with Tor and other. This site is well secured, as you can see. Now, how do you earn reward and support content creators? So you earn reward by installing and using or creating content on this particular site. How do you do it? So earn frequent flyer like tokens just for browsing. Okay, so there are many other things again. Another one is tips and contribute to website directly through Brave reward. So you also earn reward for doing all this. Okay, so if you also scroll down, you will see so many other companies that are partnered with this particular company that we're talking about. All right, so that is the second website that you can register and participate while we're at home indoors without you doing anything. So you can do something with this. All right, so with this site you can work at home and earn money doing this. Now let's move to the third website that we have for So the third website that we are going to consider today is called CueMe. So CueMe is a website where you share opinion, you shop, you search, and you are paid for your activities. Okay, so as you can see, earn cash, not swags or points. So for you to join CueMe, all you need to do is enter your email and your password, then you click on sign up. So CueMe is available on different platforms, so you can get it on your app store. If you are using a Android phone, you can download it from Play Store or from your other devices as well. So you can see that this CueMe is featured on Mashable. You can check it out. Upvotes, MXN, CNN, Money, as well as Forbes. These are companies that this particular site is featured on. Then earn when you share your opinion. That is one way that you can earn through this particular program. So you earn when you shop. So the moment you install the CueMe app, and you can see the moment you search on your browser, then it will pop up this. You click on any of this link from CueMe, then you earn. You are paid for shopping from any of those sites. Okay, so earn when you search as well. When you search, you search online for anything at all you want to search, you click on the result from this left hand side of it, you will be rewarded for searching through that. So what you do now, you need to do is to just click on sign up now. The more you click on sign up, then it will take you to what? The CueMe site where you can register and start participating. Okay, so thank you for watching. So right here, I want you to, for you to watch the next video, all you need to do is to click on what? Subscribe, so that you won't miss anything at all. Click on the subscribe button below and you will not miss any of our videos that are recorded on daily basis. Okay, so we also have some other videos that you can watch up next, so on other money making opportunities which are available. So just click right now, get it, and you will also receive the next one that is coming. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share this video to make it go viral. So thank you and stay tuned for the next video. Remain blessed.